Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Wishing you all a very happy new year. In this video, we'll be seeing the recipe for instant murukku or chakli. If you follow this recipe and watch the video till the end, you will be able to make some perfect, crispy and light chakli. So let's go ahead and check out what are the ingredients required to make the chakli. To begin with, I'm going to grind the roasted gram into a fine powder. Here I have a mixing bowl into which I'm adding in the rice flour. In goes chili powder, salt, fennel seeds, and then 4 teaspoons of the ground roasted gram. Stick to this quantity, as if you add more of the ground roasted gram, there are all chances of the chakli breaking while shaping it. Next, here I have some hot oil. This is regular vegetable oil. I'm going to add in 6 teaspoons of the same into the flour mixture. As the oil is very hot, initially mix it with a spoon and then you may use your hands to crumble the flour. Now knead this into a soft dough by adding a little of water at a time. This is the chakli mold. It comes with various attachments. We will need a star-shaped attachment, and this is how you attach it. Once done, grease the inside of the mold. Now take a portion of the dough and stuff it into the mold. Here I've spread a parchment paper and I'm going to start shaping the chakli over it. Now, in case your chakli breaks while forming it, this means that the dough does not have enough moisture in it. So just add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water and knead the dough again. I'm sure you must be able to form the chakli now. There can be another reason for not getting the proper shape. It could also be because the dough is too moist. In that case, add a bit of rice flour and knead again. Ensure to seal the edges of the chakli, else they will open up on frying. Here I've taken oil in a pan, and before we start frying, let's check for the temperature. So I'm dropping in a small portion of the dough, and as you can see, it rises immediately to the top, which implies our oil is ready for frying. Reduce the flame to medium. Here I'm sliding the chakli one at a time into the hot oil. Be very careful when you do this, else you can use a spoon to lift the chakli off the parchment paper and slide the chakli using the spoon into the hot oil. Ensure to fry the chakli on medium flame. In case you fry the chakli on a low flame, firstly the chakli will take long to fry and the chakli will become hard on frying. Once the chaklis turn golden brown, you can remove them off the oil. You may drain the excess oil by transferring the chaklis onto a kitchen towel. So friends, I hope you will give this instant chakli a try. I hope you enjoyed watching this video of mine as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, please express by clicking on that like button. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, as I have more exciting videos coming up. So until I see you all the next time, stay safe, stay positive, take care, bye bye.